In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see when a Udemy course was created. If you're someone who's very particular about the freshness of the content you're diving into, knowing when a course was created or last updated is crucial. Maybe you're looking for the latest strategies, tools, or just want to ensure the content isn't outdated. Whatever the reason, I've got you covered, so let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is navigate to the Udemy homepage. Now, if you're not already logged in, you'll see a login button at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. This action should take you to a page where you have different options for logging in, including the usual email and password fields. However, to make things smoother, we're going to use the Google login option. Just click on the Google icon to proceed. It's a convenient way to log in without having to remember another password. And if you're already signed into your Google account, it makes the process almost seamless. Once you click on the Google icon, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. This will be the account associated with your Udemy account. Select the correct one to proceed. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to choose the one that's linked to your Udemy profile to avoid any confusion. After successfully logging in, you'll be brought back to the main Udemy homepage. From here, you're going to need to scroll down to see your enrolled courses. Udemy does a great job of organizing your courses on the dashboard, so you should spot them quite easily. This is where having a clean and organized dashboard can really help you navigate more efficiently. Now that you're looking at your list of courses, go ahead and click on a course you're interested in. This action will take you to the course's landing page, where you'll find all sorts of details about the course, including its description, curriculum, and instructor information. These details are vitally important in understanding what the course offers and setting your expectations right. Once you're on the course landing page, the next thing you're looking for is the last updated date. This piece of information is typically located somewhere around the course description or under the course title. It's a small detail, but it tells you when the course materials were last revised or added to. Udemy instructors update their courses to keep them current, and this date lets you know how recent those updates are. By clicking on the last updated date, you'll sometimes find additional context or notes from the instructor about what changes were made during the latest update. This can include new lectures, updated resources, or revisions to existing content. It gives you a good sense of how actively the course is being maintained. Knowing when a course was last updated is invaluable, especially in fast-moving fields like technology or marketing, where staying current is critical. It's a little detail that can significantly impact your learning experience, ensuring you're getting the most up-to-date information available. Now, here's a pro tip. Sometimes the creation date and the last updated date are significantly different. This isn't necessarily a bad thing, as it can show the instructor's commitment to keeping the content fresh and relevant. However, if you're looking for cutting-edge knowledge, newer courses might be more your speed. And just like that, you now know how to check when a Udemy course was last updated. This simple process can help you make more informed decisions about where to invest your time and money in your self-education journey. Whether you're learning a new skill, brushing up on existing ones, or just exploring out of curiosity, understanding how to assess the freshness of course content is a key part of getting the most out of your online learning experience. So, next time you're browsing through Udemy and find something that piques your interest, remember these steps to ensure you're getting the most current and relevant content available. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.